July som thum pakhat sang ni som ni paruk ani Spain border crisis migrants singa atanga sing ruk don vel dan lawin tu na hian in Spain an lut hum mai ni Turu rem khop mai ka han en nga lang on.
A border can separate two countries, but sometimes it becomes the center of a humanitarian crisis.
Humanitarian crisis.
That is what Spain is facing today. At least 49,000 of migrants have breached its border with Morocco, and Madrid has now
Morocco rama tangin heng migrants how he Spain rama nan valuda
ordered the military to step in.
Illegal immigrants sipai te pon nan dang zo lo nge om ji ho nge sipai ngoi teu he mi te hi tu te nge police an wang ve he mi te hi tin an ding top mai mo ta he ni ten ron lu thum huma ti then van nei lo ve rapthlak le me oi police pa lai rapthlak va.
Well, troops will help the civil guard restore order and maintain security. At least 18 people have died during the chaos.
Mizo paret an hito waya lampang hian in mi sing ruk an tia first post lampang hian in mi sing li sang kwa vel an tia mi singa atanga mi sing ruk in kara ngai top mayang tiang hanin lo estimate ve top mayang chuanin kueta ti hi khoi lai nge om Google Map han en tai la hey Spain ram chunga tak hianin direct in an valut ti mela Spain ram chu ni thaw ma ro hey Spain he lai zong hi Spain hey Portugal Cristiano Ronaldo sui te omna hani ta Portugal hi mo chuan helai hi Spain omna Madrid hala Madrid Real Madrid let's go Barcelona Lionel Messi wo en poni se hey hi anita chuanin amaro chu hey Spain a mainland lo zoka he ta hian he ta hian zuk zoom tai la he lai hi Spain ram he lai hi mo he lai hi Spain ram khani ta ni he lai te hi ta hian in Spain khan ram nei ve ta he kueta ti hi he ta hian in khang illegal migrants ho kha an ron lut ta hum mai ni khoi lai nge Morocco hi om lok so he Morocco ni hi lai hi Morocco ne na an in rin na Morocco ne na anin rin na karin dan chuanin direct in hemi border through hi chuanin an lut thei lawani anga karin dan chuan achan chu video kan hmu dan ang hi chuanin hei tuipui atanga ron hleukai te khan anga chu wang chuanin he lai vele mo khoi lai bera mo tang hianin an ron hleukai aniang hemi hi rin kan rin thei dan chu ani khatiang vel kha ani riek le photang.
Meanwhile, Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez is visiting Ceuta alongside
Ceuta kan tian Ceuta ti tur lo ni cho va boy thak Ceuta kan lo de he lai CEUTA mo Ceuta ti tur lo ni chu Spain Prime Minister hian in he omna mun hi azuk lo do ni
the Interior Minister. The surge has also triggered strong reactions from some residents in Ceuta.
It's a disgrace, honestly. The only solution I see is for Spain to do what Donald Trump does and start
mai Spain hian in ati tur pakhat ani chu Donald Trump ana ati angai ani ti ni hei dikhop mai ni Europe rama hian mo zebla chonin soi to panga ei Muslim kan ti dei an tam to mai ni Europe rama hian Middle East te po Lebanon te po Christian tam na takania to choni to hleinem Iran te po mo khatiang khani zel chu wa zonin Europe ram te po hian protest kan han ente le mihring te pa kan en hian en hei nge an tam to lu tu kani hei hi Europe ram ta na thalo e nge tong trai tu ra hanin ko na hanin som na han an ron auta ngoro kan ti ve do na ti chi le lawa in thia mai em jing dar level ten ron au beng cheng khang ang zong kha Europe ram te hen to hen an tuar ve me kani mo chu van chuanin Donald Trump ana ati ang hian kami Muslim soi chuang lovin illegal immigrants hrim kha chu thon chuak tap se dule mi huat po hlo don se đàn là lâu luôn đi miêu à dù bằng cho nên thôn chuộc top mấy cái thị này
deporting people. Above all, it has to deploy the navy at the border to stop anyone from getting through. Because if
navy
this was a disgrace in 2021, now it's even worse. Please.
Cùng sáng ni som ni pakata. He thi tiếng thil hi thleng to tu nai he na thleng le ne. Rapthlak khop mấy tên ni he po he lung oi lo le ni.
Sanchez, do something. If not, resign.
Sanchez, Prime Minister. Egmon ni tiro ani lo zonin bangro. Strong khop me ma ni lam pang po mo.
Sanchez haz algo, si no dimite.
Well, let's take a closer look at the location. Ceuta is a small Spanish territory on the North African coast.
Morocco.
It has long been a key entry point for migrants trying to reach Europe. Many attempt the journey by swimming from nearby Moroccan towns, seeking better economic opportunities or escaping violence.
Morocco ram den khan lo in ri ni kha. Spain khan in Morocco bun thai khan in ram lo nei ve ka mai nei.
Meanwhile, the Tarajal border is the main land crossing between Morocco and Spain's North African enclave.
Tarajal border hi Spain ila in rina omanita. Amaro chu hemi border kal tang hianin Morocco rama tang hianin heng migrants kan ti ho hi Spain an rama hen an lut thei don lo ni langa chuanin hemi Ceuta hi I migrants tam tak ho Africa tanga migrants tam tak ho I Europe rama an lu na ata na kal kong poi mo tak kha lo ni ve ni chu.
And the border was opened under unusual circumstances on Thursday morning. Large crowds of people, mainly Moroccan nationals, walked across the breakwaters at Tarajal Beach onto local roads. Video
makle mai chan eng mo wangin Thursday zinga khanin border gate khalo in honga Morocco mi le sa tam tak kha khatiang khanin kongpui te han local vel mai mai ani chuanin Italy Prime Minister Meloni phei chuanin hethili ngai serious khop mai a Meloni te po hian hetiang thil hi chu an du lo bani hetiang thil hi chu thalo Mizoram ade hian thleng veng ti hlom tong thu chelo mo chuan chuanin engamani tu te emani hi chu an population hi chu leba han en thi thlai ve te chu a tha kan nam a himnan mo thanhem ngai ani chu thanhem ngai thil.
Footage showed families with women and children, among predominantly young men, streaming across the frontier. The surge at Ceuta came after a spike in migrants attempting to reach the Spanish territory, and local authorities have faced a mounting challenge.
Local authorities te kimi local police kan ti ang chi ho te khiani nan dang ne lo ni tun chumbi ka migrants ron lu tum te ho hi chumo lela ma chon migrants te po hi an thina tlanga tanga han thlir pui chuanin he ram re thei taka future om lo na om reng ai chuanin ram chang kang zo ram tha zo ka hianin ha tho tur te ha om ve anga tianga be se ya ram tha zo lampan kal khan ni ve thawani lela ma chon migrants te po hi amaro chu dan kala thil ti an ni awang e ro kha chuanin dan kal khani miawa.
Migrant reception centres had become overwhelmed even before Thursday's chaos, with hundreds reportedly sleeping on the streets after
Thursday ma po khanin migrants tam takhi hetiang hianin lu an tum to ani amaro chu a reaching point a boiling point kan te khami api ka ero kha chu Friday haron ni ta ani nimin le vo inang vel ni chu.
After more than 1,500 migrants entered the territory in the previous week. It was not immediately clear what prompted so many migrants to cross at one moment.
Thok le khata khatiza ta tam migrants te anron lu huk na chana kha hriat ala ni chu alo ni tu na hian.
Moroccan authorities have not publicly commented on the crossings, although for many the crossings was driven by the hope of a better life.
Khania Moroccan government Moroccan sarkar hian in engma na soi chuang lawa Morocco a hianin soi thamai mai anga mel hriat pakhati kan eveni mel hriat han ti han hei kan zirbing na research ti vela tang hriat mo paper te po kan lo zia kho to felde media ma chu Morocco tiaron soi ta hanga se chuaw do so ni Morocco sarkar lam pang hian in engma soyala nei lawa chuan soi to aron soi to angkhan reporter pak hian in nun thazok live thazok be sein an han lu ve roi chu ania an future chu a bright over chuang lova amaro chu an din mun han thlir an nge an mani POV an mani thlir na changa han thlir pui chon yang khongai thak ve tho mai an mani pohimo
because
we don't have good medicine damdoi tha kan nei lova zirtir tu tha kan nei lova Morocco a hianin nun hi a har sa e me mani chu wan chuanin helai hmuni kan ronin hleu thleng mani kha tak kha nia
have a good life in Morocco. Don't meet
اي حاجه
don't meet
لا
them.
صحه لا تعليم
And we don't have good medicine, and we don't have a good teachers, and it's a bad life in Morocco. That's why we get swimming to here.
Nia Morocco hi Muslim man tam ve khop mai ni Morocco chang chu wa chu nia Spain local sam ta khi chon in an du lawang khi tiang an ron lu thu ka hi.
Well, Spain said that Morocco is cooperating to manage the border crisis. According to Spain's Interior Ministry, Moroccan police are stopping many people from crossing. Both countries have also agreed to return those who entered Ceuta illegally.
Ceuta dan kala Morocco chang alu zong zong te kha thon kir le tur ani ni chu viral khop mai heti za ta man han lu thuk khamo rapthlak e masin hi military age men thalai kumsom ni atang kumsom thum kumsom level risel tak tak te han miram han valu ringota kha ne am boina tam tak te po kha an va thlen theya kha thil la ani ve mo ra nge nun thazok be sei tam tak kha chu ma se ka tiang ang mishing tam lu tuk zinga hi chuanin anoi pol thil sual ti pol ang kha chu an lo ve ngi thin boxia ha tiang vel kha ani le ka ti song kha ani video lai mu le thep do ni